Hey everyone, it's John. Today we're taking a look at this Windhorse electric bike. Now this was snapped to me by the brand. This is going to be everything you need to know on this bicycle. So first of all, let's talk about sizing. I'm 6'2", 175 pounds, and so having a 32-inch inseam, this bike is fully adjustable. So you can adjust the tilt of the handlebars, which is nice. You can of course adjust the seat as you would traditionally. It's a very nice, comfy seat as well. And I'll just kind of show you how the pedals are, as you can see. So very comfortable for me being a little bit over 6 foot. This does have very nice disc brakes, which as you can see here, actually lift the bike up. Same thing with the rear. Battery obviously is here, but what I like about this bike is it's very easy to step in and out of because of this design here. So if you do happen to be a little bit shorter, or for children or something, it's very easy for them to get on this thing. I really like the grips, which kind of match the seat here, but it's a very comfortable riding position here. We obviously have our little horn there. It does have a brake light that shows up. Very sturdy rack, so if you did want to take this on a little bit of a trip, maybe a picnic, put some water, some food on here, because this does have a pretty impressive range, especially when you're pedaling. We'll get into that here in just a moment. You can actually carry some stuff with you. Now this does have obviously suspension in the front, but not the rear, so I'll show you here. And it is lockout, which is really cool. So we're just gonna press that there, and as you can see, no suspension. So this is gonna be more useful if you wanted to take this, do some light off-roading, have some more protection against the bumps, but you can lock those out and get a little bit more oomph out of it with having no suspension once you're just on the road. Now when it comes to power, because this is obviously an e-bike, you've got two methods, and this is super simple. You have a pedal assist mode, which just means whenever I am pedaling, it is going to give me an assist level that I choose via this little menu right here. And there you have only 3 options. This keeps it very simple: 1, 2, and 3. And 3 being the highest mode, that's going to get you all the way to the highest mile per hour, 2 being about halfway, and then 1 being the lowest level of assist there. And it can go all the way down to 0 if you just want to ride it like a normal bike, but who wants to do that? Now you also have this little throttle here, and you can just press this at any time and it's going to start going. So this can be a really good way to get a bit more boost out of it, or maybe you just want to ride it. In fact, I do this all the time where I ride with just this and I'm not really pedaling. That is the fun of this bike. Now you also have a gear selector here. It has a single gear on the back, and we have 7 different speeds that you can use from a very low gear. And I will show you what that low gear looks like here so that you can see. So this is what it's like in the lowest gear without pedal assist. So it's definitely enough to get up some small hills and stuff unassisted, which is great. And you do have 7 speeds that you can move through as you start utilizing the bike and getting up into higher speeds. All in all, this is a pretty lightweight bike. I can pick it up without too much issues. If you wanted to throw this up on a bike rack, that's not gonna be an issue at all. And it is such a fun bike to ride around town on these trails that we have around here. This thing is just phenomenal. So if you're looking for an e-bike, this is definitely one that I would recommend. I love how easy this thing is to use. I love the fact that we have this rack here. We can take stuff with us, which is great. And the range has been as advertised. The miles per hour has been as advertised. So hopefully this is helpful if you're looking at a bike like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.